Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hourly beep and the alarm function on your Casio W-218H. So this is going to work for other Casio models that feature the three buttons. As you can see here on the top left corner, we have two symbols. The first one symbolizes the alarm, so it shows me that the alarm is on, and then we have this bell, which is going to be the hourly beep. That signals the fact that every full hour the watch is going to beep. So what you want to do is to press the mode button once in your home screen and you are going to arrive at the alarm settings. If you press this button on the right, you are going to start setting the alarm, but if you use the start stop button, you will be able to switch on and off these two functions. So as you can see now, both of them are on. If I press the start stop button, both are going to be deactivated. So if I press the mode button in order to finalize the process, you can see that now both of them are off. Let's go once again at the alarm settings. Here, if I press the button once, now we have the alarm on, so it is going to ring at 00, so at midnight. Then if I press it one more time, the hourly beep is going to be on. If I press it again, both the hourly beep and the alarm are going to be activated. And if I press it once again, both functions are going to be set to off. Now, something really important in case you start to play with your Casio watches is that every time you start to set an alarm, so if I press this button, I'm going to start setting the alarm. So as you can see, I can set it at 7 in the morning. But when you start to set the alarm is going to be automatically activated. So you need to remember that in case you want to deactivate it and you do not need it for the following day. So now let's say that I want to also set the minutes. So I want to make it 7:30. That is, let's say, my regular alarm. Now if I press it once again, it is going to save the alarm at 7:30, and in case I want to deactivate my alarm, I'm going to press until both options have disappeared. And every time, let's say you have a fixed alarm, when you want to have it activated for the following day, you are going to activate it, and then you can simply deactivate it. So guys, that is how you activate and deactivate the hourly beep and the alarm on your Casio W-218H. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Also guys, if you enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, make sure to be subscribed. It really helps the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up in case you found value from this video, and leave a comment. Let me know if you have any difficulties, issues, or what you would like to see next in the future videos. Check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you for watching guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.